Turkey is host to the world's largest refugee population, with nearly 3 million Syrians currently living in the country. Most of them live outside the camps provided by the government, though Syrians are striving to integrate into Turkish society.
The Turkish government has allowed Syrian refugees to cross the border and visit their families back home during the holy month of Ramadan. Syrians who take advantage of this opportunity will be allowed to cross back into Turkey until the 14th of July.
This is the Turkish-Syrian border gate. Hundreds of refugees here are rushing to cross the border, but they're not escaping from Syria, they're running towards Syria. Men, women and children, bags in their hands, are visibly excited.
I'm going to Syria. My mother, my father, my aunts, my nanny and my cousins are there. Here I live with my grandmother.
Though some are expected to remain in Syria, many will return to Turkey, where the struggle to survive continues for refugees. One board member of the Turkey-based Humanitarian Relief Foundation, IHH, says the main issue for refugees has changed.
The biggest issue for Syrians is no longer shelter. They have solved this problem. For Syrians across the world now, the issue is work and education.
Despite the challenges, Talay stresses violent and criminal activities by Syrians in Turkey have been at minimal levels.
3 million people are living in the country where they don't speak the language. And even though they face economic and cultural difficulties, crime is around 0.12%. This is significant.
With the support of EU funding, the Turkish government has been working to improve living conditions for Syrians, with projects being implemented each year, especially in health services. Another sector is education, where officials aim to increase the number of children receiving education in 2017. Michal Bardavit, CGTN in southern Turkey.